Well, I just swung into the shop today to just take care of a couple things. This guy's totally done. It needs to go into the car wash and get cleaned up real good. The black one's also done. That one needs good washing. Both of these are getting shipped out Monday. I'm going to test drive both of them on Saturday. Test drive usually isn't much more than a mile down the road. Make sure everything works. Make sure everything's nice and clean and ready to go. And that'll be the end of it. So this would be 6 of them I've done this winter so far. It looks like we got one more Goldwing coming in. That one's coming from Tennessee. And the guy's going to bring it here. I'm going to convert it and he's going to come get it. Unless he wants to wait for spring and then just drive it back. That's up to him.